Welcome back to Data Science series. It's day 4 of our 30-day journey to mastering NumPy. Today we were diving into the different types of arrays. Arrays are the core data structure in NumPy, so it's essential to understand how to create them. Let's get started. Let's create an array from the list. To do this, let me create a variable list1 equal to then a set of square bracket inside it like this. Then let me create one more code cell, then variable name as array from underscore list equal to np.array, and with a set of parentheses inside it, just put this value list1. And now let's print this. Print array underscore from underscore list. Then let me run this and you will get an array from the list. Next, let's create arrays filled with zeros, ones, and other specific values. Now let's create an array filled with zeros. To do this, let me create a variable z equal to then np dot zeros like this with a set of parentheses. Inside it you have to add one more parenthesis. Then inside of it put three argument values. The first one is number of matrix, then number of rows and number of columns. Then let me print this. Print z. Let's create an array filled with ones. To do this, let me create a variable n equal to np dot ones. Then with a set of parentheses, inside it you have to add one more parenthesis. Then inside it you have to put three argument value. The first one stands for number of matrix, number of rows, and number of columns like this. Then print n. And let me run this. Now let's create an array of specific values. For example, say s equal to np dot full with a set of parentheses. Inside it, add one more parenthesis. Inside it, you have to put two argument value, which is 3 rows and 3 columns. Then after it, the specific value. For example, I want 5. Then let me print this. Print the s, and you will get 3 into 3 matrix filled with 5. NumPy also allows us to create arrays with sequence of numbers using np.arange and np.linspace. Let's create an array using arange function. To do this, say r equal to then np.arange like this with a set of parentheses. Inside it, the first starting value, the array going to start from 1 and stop in 10 like this. Then let me run this. Print r, and you will get an array which starts from 1 and ends with 9. 10 is exclusive. Let me create an array of even numbers. To do this, say even equal to np.arange like this. Then a set of parentheses inside it. The array starts from 0, then it ends at 11, and there is one more argument which is step 2. And let me print this. Print the even, and you will get an array of even numbers. And now let's create an array using this linspace function. Let me create a equal to np.linspace. Then with a set of parentheses, the first argument stands for starting point, start. The sequence going to start at 1. Then the second argument is ending point, are stop. The sequence ends at say 10. And the third and the last argument stands for number of values. The sequence contains, for example, 3 values. Then let me print this, print A. The function calculates the values so that they are evenly distributed across the range. In this example, the 1, 50.5 and 10 are chosen because they are equally spaced within the range from 1 to 10. And the last type is identity matrices. And let me create a 3 into 3 identity matrix. To do this, say A equal to np.eye, then a set of parentheses inside it, just put 3. And let me print this, print A, and let's run this. And you will get a 3 to 3 identity matrix. That's it for day 4. Practice creating these different types of arrays to get a solid understanding of how to initialize arrays in NumPy. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you tomorrow. Happy coding!